it's me, K10, and today we're making a super fun craft. We're making marble art Easter eggs. You're gonna wanna watch and see how we do this. It's so much fun. So let's get to it. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a piece of our watercolor paper and we're gonna tear it off. And we are going to draw an Easter egg. When I think of that Easter egg shape, it kind of looks like an Easter egg. When you cut it out, you can even trim it to make it look even more Easter eggy-like. I might have made mine a little bit too round. It's kind of that oval-y shape that you want. Oh, that is looking great. Look at that. We got our nice little Easter egg. Okay, so now that we've got our egg, I hope it doesn't hatch, we have to dye it using our marble art technique. So, I'm gonna put this to the side. We're gonna take our baking tray and we're gonna take our shaving foam and we're gonna fill up our baking tray with shaving foam. So just like so. Wow, looks like a cloud. Great. And as a bonus, it smells like summertime. So we are going to now take some paints, and the fun thing about marble art is you can kind of put anything you want in here. You could use food dye, you can use acrylic paint. I'm gonna even toss in some glitter glue. And we're just gonna put in little bits of it as we want. So I'm gonna put in some of my glitter glue in here, just like that. A couple of those. I'm gonna put some red. I think that would look really nice. Maybe I'll put in some purple on my Easter egg. Okay. Oh, it got some shaving foam on it. I'll clean that off in a little bit. And I'll put some yellow in here too. I think that will be a nice little finishing touch. Doesn't this look like kind of a fun cake? So now that we have our paints on top of our shaving foam, what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it around a little bit and we're gonna create a marbling effect. So this is kind of that fun that we can do here. So by mixing it, going back and forth and back and forth, using the shaving foam, look at how we are marbling this paint and how neat this looks. Maybe we do a little bit more here. And you can also run it down the middle. Ooh, that looks really neat. So now what we're gonna do is take our egg that we used our watercolor paper with, and we are going to lay it flat down into our shaving foam. And the idea is it's gonna pick up all the different paint that we've put on here. So we're gonna put it right in here and we're going to press it down. Press, 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 and you kind of gotta press it pretty in there. You gotta get it right in there so that all that paint gets smooshed on it. We don't wanna go lightly. And then you're gonna pull it up and we're gonna see our incredible results. Wow, look at that. So then what we do is we carefully scrape our shaving foam away and it just leaves the beautiful paint behind. Look at that. Wow. This is so cool because no two eggs will ever be alike. And there's no way that we could have even known that our egg would look as beautiful as this one. Wow, check it out. This is our Crafternoon creation. We used paint and shaving foam and used a marbling technique to make these beautiful Easter eggs. How cool is that? Well, I hope everybody has a very happy Easter. Bye! I got some paint on my hands.